Did you know a porcupine has around 30,000 quills? These sharp quills cover their entire body, giving them an incredible defense mechanism. When a predator gets too close, the quills detach easily. These quills can embed themselves into the attacker's skin. Surprisingly, porcupines cannot shoot their quills, but the quills are loosely attached. Once detached, the quills keep on working as a painful reminder. This unique defense helps porcupines survive in the wild. It's nature's prickly way of saying, stay away.